I'm going camping tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday.
Lying here, cause I remember it all.
Give me 1 second. And then 1 second later, she's fighting off the wasp.
We are going to begin with Hurricane Hillary barreling toward the coast of Southern California.
Hillary is lashing Southern California with tens of millions in its path. This is the damage Hillary has already done.
My fingers are pruned from driving my car somewhere where I can buy. My fingers are pruned from driving the Jeep. Oh, God.
Yeah. I should buy a roof for my car. Yeah. I should probably buy a roof.
Amid all this destruction and loss, a symbol of survival.
Look at my little water feature. You know, isn't that kind of nice? Look at that. Really, it's like a little Zen garden.